Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to lighten your WordPress server by offloading all of your media to Cloudflare R2 object storage using the Next3 Offload plugin. To begin, log into your Cloudflare dashboard and navigate to the R2 section under Storage. From here, create a new bucket and give it a unique name. In this example, the bucket name is Neuralbin. Leave the region set to Global. Once you confirm and create the bucket, it will be ready to receive your WordPress media uploads. Next, from the Cloudflare dashboard, open the User API Tokens section and create a new token. Give it a clear name so you can recognize it later. Then set the permission to allow admin read and write access and restrict it to only the bucket you just created. Enable the option to generate S3 compatible keys. After creating the token, Cloudflare will display the token string along with an access key ID and a secret access key. Make sure to copy and store these securely as they will only be shown once. Now switch to your WordPress admin dashboard. After installing Next3 Offload, activate it by entering your license key, then click Next. Choose your website type and optionally enable media offload, image optimization, and database optimization, and click Next to continue. Here, you'll see the full list of cloud providers supported by Next3 Offload. Select Cloudflare R2 as the storage provider. Paste the access key ID, secret access key, and the R2 endpoint URL exactly as provided by Cloudflare. Enter the bucket name and save the settings. The plugin will verify the credentials, and once successful, your WordPress site is officially connected to Cloudflare R2. After the connection is confirmed, move to the delivery settings inside the plugin. Here, you can enable pre-signed object URLs, which create time-limited secure links for your media files. This is useful for protecting access while still allowing global delivery. Other delivery options can remain at their default values unless you have a specific reason to change them. Save the settings once everything is configured. To test the setup, go to the WordPress media library and upload a new image. After the upload finishes, return to the media list and notice the Next3 Offload column showing the provider, bucket name, and offload status. When you copy the media URL and open it in a new browser tab, you'll see a long pre-signed link pointing directly to Cloudflare R2. You can also verify this directly from Cloudflare. Open your R2 bucket and browse into the WP Content Uploads directory. Inside, you'll see year and month folders containing multiple versions of the uploaded image. If you already have existing media files stored locally, Next3 Offload can handle those as well. Open the Offload Settings section inside the plugin, where you'll see a progress overview showing how many files are already offloaded and how many remain on local storage. Start the offload process to move the remaining files to Cloudflare R2. You can pause, resume, or even restore files back to WordPress storage if needed. And that's it! You've successfully integrated Cloudflare R2 with WordPress using the Next3 Offload plugin. Thanks for watching this quick overview, and I hope you enjoy using Next3 Offload.